Okay, now I'm going to share with you coordination from the classical work. I have one medium, one heavy. On my balanced body reformer, that's one red and one green. How about we get started? So I'm going to roll all the way back, here like this. I'm going to take a great big inhale to prepare. Now exhale, I'm going to draw the belly in as I slowly roll down, trying to imprint my spine down, one vertebrae at a time. And look at that, my shoulders lined up perfectly with my shoulder rest. I've had a little bit of practice. So I'm going to bring my hands into my long loops, and I'm going to bring my knees up into tabletop position. Tabletop position is when your knee is directly over your hips and your leg is parallel. Your shin right here is parallel with the ground. Often I see clients doing it like this. So if you reach your toes a little bit away from you, you're going to feel the abdominal muscles start to kick in. So now I'm going to bend my elbows. So the backs of my arms are just hovering over the reformer. They're not heavy into the reformer. And I'm going to lift up into my C curve. I'm going to maintain this lift the entire time. I'm going to inhale, lengthen my arms and my legs. I'm going to pause my breath as I quickly open and close the legs. Now exhale, I'm going to deflate the abdominals to draw just the knees in, then the hands reset. Imagine you're growing taller as you lengthen your arms. So you're growing tall at the tip of your head. Open, close, exhale, deflate the abdominals to draw those thighs in, and then reset the hands. And again, inhale, lengthen. Open, close. Those abs are drawing those knees in, and then hands reset. And again, inhale, lengthen, open, close. I'm going to squeeze my thighs together as I draw the knees in. I'm going to do just one more. Open, close. I'm going to do it without talking. And there you have coordination.